Hi, welcome to F5 Big IP tutorial. In this video, I want to share about how to configure SSL Offload on F5 Big IP. So let's check this video. Before you begin, make sure you have 3 files. First is certificate server. The second is chain certificate server, and the third is key certificate. After you complete that's all, now you can login to F5 BKB. In this section, system, you can select file management and then SSL certificate list. In the import button, you can click. In the import type, you can select the certificate. In the certificate name, let's say you can put the name test cert. In the certificate source section, you can choose to file the certificate. Select the certificate server file. Now you can click button import. The certificate, it was uploaded. Then you can go to click import button. In the import type, you can select the key. In the key name, you can put the name with test cert. In the key source section, you can choose file the key certificate. Then you can go to click import button. Now we can see the certificate and key was uploaded. And the last, you can go to import button again, and the section import type, you can select certificate. In the certificate name section, you can fill the name with the name is test cert chain. In the certificate sort section, you can choose file the chain certificate. Then you can go to click import button. Now we have the certificate and key, then the chain certificate. Now we can go to the local traffic section, then we can select the profile and then SSL client. Now go to click the create button. In the name section, you can fill the name, let's say test cert client. The current profile, you can select client SSL. Then go to click check the custom section. In the certificate keychain, you can click add button. The certificate, you can select the test certificate. In the key, you can select test certificate, and then chain section, you can select test chain. Now you can go to click add button. After this all, you can go to click the finish button. Now we have the profile SSL client with the name the test certificate client. Then last week we go through the virtual server section. For this VS, I have the service port is HTTP. We can change to be HTTPS. Now we can go through SSL profile client and then select the profile was created. The name is test search client. After we selected, now we can go to the update button in this virtual server. Okay, now we have the virtual server with the service port HTTPS. Now we can check with the access virtual server IP address. So that's all for how to configure SSL Offload on i5 Big IP. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy.